Hi guys, Miss Shamble here with your day 22 video on solving systems by graphing. I'm going to be doing number 5 today, which I have transferred over here to this whiteboard. So to solve systems by graphing, like we talked about yesterday, ooh, my hand is right in front of the camera, you have to have both equations solved for y first. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the top equation. So for the top equation, this blue marker is trash, I just need to give up on it. We've got 5x plus y equals -4. So our goal is to get y by itself to get it in slope-intercept form and be able to graph it, which means the 5x has to go. So I'm going to subtract 5x on both sides, bringing the y down, equals, these are not like terms because one has an x and one does not, so it's -4 minus 5x. So this one has a slope of -5, which is flowing over indivisible 1, it's -5 over 1, and it has a y-intercept of -4, so it passes through the point 0, -4. So I'm going to go ahead, oh no, I can't go ahead and graph this because I'll just erase off the back. I should have grabbed 2 whiteboards. Whatever, I'm going to go ahead and write this one up here at the top so I have space. So that is y equals -4 minus 5x. I'm going to copy this information. I should have thought about this before I wrote it down, but whatever. All right, and then for the second line, I will do in black because obviously my colored markers are dying. So the second line, still got to get y by itself, which means the x has to go first. So I'm going to subtract the x, cross that out. So I've got -y is equal to -2 minus x. Can't have that negative right there. It's really a -1. So I'm going to divide by -1 on both sides to get rid of it. So y is equal to -2 divided by -1 is a +2. -1 divided by -1 is a +1x. So my second line is y equals 2 plus 1x. So its slope is +1 over 1, and its y-intercept is +2. So I'm going to flip the board over and hope that I don't erase this. I'm going to graph the green line first because it's the first one I did. So it starts at -4 and goes down 5, right 1. Flip that over very gently. All right. Starts at -4 and goes down 5, right 1. And I ran out of space, so I'm going to go backwards. Go up 5, left 1, up 5, left 1, all the way across until I run out of space again. Draw my line. All right, and now I'm going to graph the black line, which, oh God, I hope it's still there. It is. Okay, cool. So it starts at 2 and goes up 1, right 1. So I'm going to start at +2. And I'm going to go up 1, right 1 across the graph. And when I run out of space, I'm going to go down 1, left 1. And I can actually see where they're crossing already. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that. And they cross right there at that point, which is -1, +1. So that's my final answer.